Justin Reviews here with Curtis Modkins, former Buffalo Bills offensive coordinator and also current Bills offensive coordinator. And we're just going to solve problems right now.
So here's a problem we've got here, and first you start by solving the top part.
Oh man. I feel like I'm watching The Pursuit of Happiness right now.
Good movie. Will Smith.
Yeah. That is some,
does is make blockbusters.
that's the movie I was thinking about.
Hang on. Let me help.
No, just let him do his thing. Let him do his thing. Justin, hop in so you can see him.
I'm just busting balls, figurative balls, not actual
Yes.
balls.
Oh, do you guys have Twitters? No?
Get it.
If you can follow him, he reviews everything. He'll probably review you guys later.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah, he'll probably be like, you should review his Rubik's Cube skills. Oh, he's got the yellow done. Yellow is almost done. Sorry, I jumped. Oh, okay, yellow, orange, green.
YOLO, it's YOLO.
YOLO. Wow.